We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can download Apple Music on iPhone. So to start, make sure that your iPhone is connected to internet. Should it be Wi-Fi or cellular connection? Of course, we recommend that you use the Wi-Fi network since they are, well, pretty much free of charge, which cellular networks don't usually. Anyway, it's up to you which internet connection to set up. Once you have it, launch the App Store. At the search bar, input the music query, then find the Apple Music, open its page, tap at the download or get button, input your passcode or Face ID, or just wait until it gets downloaded, and here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.